everybody, All Pro Exterior Services. Here again, one of my regular maintenance customers will come out here about 2-3 months. They're having a big get-together for a wedding or something, so he requested a full service. We came the other day and did the gutters because the landscapers were coming the next day. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and prime our machine. Let's go ahead and turn this off real quick. Don't need to check. Okay, prime the machine. Turn this on. We'll go on SE. Gonna bog down a little bit. Open this up. There you go. Yeah. One more time. About 5 or 6. Let's get it back to about 3. Perfect. Turn this off. We're primed. So I got Anthony over here just shooting the rocks because we're gonna, for a second there, we'll have some strong percentage. Keep spraying, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna hit this garage first back here, and I'm gonna work my way around so we can reel up and go out. We are gonna post treat the driveway with a 5%. No surface cleaning needed, and I'm gonna post treat that. So we'll catch up. Hey. Just got set up here in the garage, just wetting these plants down a little bit. Again, these are plants, these types of plants, man, if you kill these plants, you're doing really something wrong, because these plants hard to die. I talked to a planter, a horticulturalist, and that's what he told me. So, but we're just doing our due diligence, wetting around here, you know, in case we get any on here. Again, house wash mix ain't gonna hurt nothing too bad, but if it's dry, and hot, you may get some situations here. We're gonna start right here, work my way around. I should be able to wash this whole building due to the shade. Let's go back here and see what my Jenny, what anything back here that may be a concern. Hit this side right here, you know, you can hit this side. So let's go ahead and turn our soap on from a distance, Soap is on. Remember, you got a few minutes, so. In fact, I'm gonna get Anthony to put something on here, so we'll have to use solution. Come on, soap. This is a really good. This customer is part of my exclusive membership. Now we got soap. Don't need much soap here. Remember, I told you folks, this is a quarterly customer, so. Work my way out, spray my way out. You follow me? Bleach right there. My hose right. Make sure you get that crease too. Really good customer here. I'm going to just spray this down real quick while I'm over here. I know it's just a house wash mix, but if you know, we hit it every time we're here, just about, or have been. So, and it works as long as you're consistent with it, you know. If we can do for them good customers, man, take care of them, you know. Keep it going, keep the rhythm going. Turn off my soap in case I miss anything. Off soap. Hey Tony, when you get done with that, can you grab the brush with the top of the Jenny, baby.
Is that water?
Yeah. I'm gonna come around, I'll take it off then, alright? Got a roof job to do on this beautiful, hot, humid day. We're gonna be putting our gutter flutter, as my boy Mike what up Mike likes to say. So basically got it on here, just hook it on the gutter. We'll go about halfway. We want to flood out these two spouts. Let's see how it works. First time using it. Turn out some water. Let it get juiced up. We should see some flow if the gutters are clean. It's a pretty cool little idea. And I got that T, so it's shooting both ways, so we should be getting both out of here. So unless these gutters are clogged, I didn't even check that. I hear it. I hear something. We may have a clog in here. Anyway, we'll check that. But anyway, yeah, it's doing good. No leaks. I put some True Blue all on the fittings. And these fittings, I just got those hand tight. Let's see what's coming up the back. They got a dog. They're letting out. I really can't see. Probably. Hey Tony, put it by this downspout and check it, because there's no water coming out. Oh, there you go. Getting a little bit of water. Look at that. Just check it real quick. Yeah, we get some water. Look at that. Look, got a flutter. Got a flutter to the rescue. I may try to just a gut. Nothing in there? Just maybe took a while. Let me get up there and see.
Not that much pressure, and it's also going the other way too.
Yeah, let me see. That's all we want. We want a good flow, just to neutralize that bleach. Let me get up here for the viewers. That's what I do. Oh yeah, look at it. Flooding all those gutters, flooding all these gutters. Just got a little bit of debris in there, not much, but it's doing its job. That's what we want. Yeah, you can see, look, stuff starting to come down the gutter lower. Boom. So you may get a free gutter cleaning, who knows? What is this? Oh, it's a firework. Yeah, now we're getting some good flow. Yeah, you can see things are starting to move here, leaves or whatever it is. But anyway, we flowing. Let me check the back one. I mean, it's about being efficient and taking care of the customer's property. Yeah, see, we got a drain here, so we're golden. All right, cool. Cool. All right, let us get set up. We'll catch up. Peace. Hey guys and girls, we got the back side, the other side, a little bit of front. We're on the third side here. It's just super hot. It's got to be, they said it feels like 110. So we're just taking our time. We got the gutter flutter working. What up, Mike? So we just turned it on, so it should be flowing here in a minute. So make sure we got no kinks in our line. Valve is open, golden there. Yep, thing works like a champ. Here we go. We'll let that run, take a break, get some Kool-Aid, and hit this side. All right, peace. Hey guys and girls, this is a 5%. Let me get you some water. This is a 5% first coat, and it's doing pretty well. We'll clean this out. We got the slow-mo, so you see slow-mo sticking. We got the gutter flutter running. That one's not really flowing too well, probably clogged. We're gonna check that in a sec. And then finish this low one. I'm gonna just continue high, work my way down from the ground. It's just so hot. Anyway, let me get some footage with you. Using that 12 volt, which is okay. It works. Get you a nice little stream going, you know. There you go. Let it run, and it's super hot, so it's working well. I mean, it's a whole different roof right now. And a lot of that's brown. It ain't black. So, all right, guys, catch up. Peace.